Today we will talk about the importance of trust, titled Current Between Two Colleagues, Who Should Trust. I trusted him, and he trusted me. She cannot be trusted. Usually, statements like this are after betrayal transformation. Then, from that, trust originates and why do we break each other's trust? All our questions and observations are on the matter made us realize the importance of trust. Because the essential mechanism under all relationships must depend on trust. Had you had a hard time trusting your friends, or to the current between two friends who you both trust? According to Walter Anderson, trust like a base. Once broken, though we can fix it, the base will never be safe again. Just like in real life, it is hard to bring back the friendship once trust broken apart. And if it will come back in time, we won't see the same shape as before. And we all know that it is difficult. The most difficult thing we can get from our friends is trust. And it can also be the reason for the friendship to be ruined and wasted. Once trust is neglected and ruined. Trust is very important to us. Why? Because it is what relationships are typically based on. Gaining trust is required for responsible behavior and an indication of cooperation. According to Joyce Cargill, trust is earned. For trust is established between people. Recognition skills of behavioral patterns are needed. Trust goes hand in hand with cooperation and respect. If it weren't for cooperation and respect, how could we trust each other? But how do we gain trust? First, we must be honest and amicable. Second, don't break concepts, because in the process of break, relationship goes down. Third, keep your secrets for others and do your best to follow it through with what you promise and make sure that no one can get your promise your best of friends. Well, we cannot get to and maintain relationship or friendship of sorts. Because remember, once trust comes in a relationship, love goes out. Why? It is because the best proof of love is trust, according to Dr. Gerard. The trial of trust. When I was told this way, all these years of bonding, I kept so many secrets and buried in my heart. But do I disturb the judgment he made? Thinking of betrayal, that's why it's easy to deal with, especially if you're a best of friends in the future. A betrayal of trust is difficult for people who cannot trust, but people who can trust are more likely to give someone else a chance. Sometimes, we may be annoyed by a new friend for being on the reserve side. But of course, you have to understand each individual is so complex and has so many experiences, feelings, needs, opinions, etc. So that he cannot probably reveal outside of himself. Probably reveal outside of himself to a new acquaintance. To at least play a role or at least show only part of himself. Why does he hide a part of himself? Why do we all? Probably it's because of fear of rejection and our authenticity and vulnerability. It is not easy to keep friendship of sorts when everything is right. It takes effort and perseverance to remain faithful with friends when another dives into into darkness. Trust is a risk to take relationships because it makes people move toward love, light, and away from fear. For that reason alone, trust is independent itself. According to www.thinkandthink.com, follow your heart, but be quiet for a while to breathe. Ask questions and feel the answers. Learn to trust the heart. Now, the question is, who should we trust, our heart or others?